Hey there, welcome back to another hyper lifestyle video where today we will be taking a look inside Kylie Jenner's luxury car collection. But before we do that, if you enjoy this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It's safe to say that beauty mogul Kylie Jenner loves her cars. Her impressive luxury car collection totals over $5 million US. Let's take a look inside. You won't want to miss the last car. Kylie has been building her wealth and along with it her car collection steadily since she started her TV journey on Keeping Up with the Kardashians back in 2007. Now focused on her Kylie Skin and Kylie Cosmetics companies, the reality star is close to amassing $1 billion in net worth. And guess what one of her favourite ways to spend her millions is? Buying luxury cars. Let's take a look at Kylie's 15 car collection. First up, you can't be that rich and not have a couple of Range Rovers. Obviously, Kylie has two Range Rovers, both costing around $90,000 US, around 66 British pounds, and yep, they are the cheapest cars in her collection. Moving on, the Ferrari 488 Spider. Back in 2016, Kylie and her sister Kendall Jenner decided to buy matching Ferraris. This was her first Ferrari and starting prices are at a chunky $350,000 US. Next up, Kylie has the Ferrari 458 Italia Spider. This car was actually originally painted white before Kylie had it resprayed in baby blue. The exact price of this car is unknown, but it would be around $400,000 to $600,000 US. And to top off Kylie's Ferrari collection, she has the super rare Ferrari LaFerrari. This hypercar is easily one of the most famous additions to her collection. Travis Scott gifted the super rare LaFerrari to Kylie as a present after giving birth to their daughter Stormy back in 2015. The 2015 super luxury car is very hard to come by, as only 499 units were ever produced. This was one pricey gift, chaps, as it would have set Travis back the cool sum of $1.4 million US. Speaking of Travis, he clearly is a fan of gifting luxury vehicles, as for Kylie's 21st birthday, he surprised her with a vintage 1950s to 1960s Rolls Royce. Next up, Kylie's ice blue Rolls Royce Ghost. The reality star bought this custom ice blue Rolls Royce in 2018. She has her name ingrained below the door and referred to this as her dream car. Now, a standard Rolls Royce Ghost would set you back around $315,000, but no doubt with the customizations this could have set her back more. And the Rolls Royce collection doesn't stop there. Kylie has also been seen alongside a similar car in taupe, blue and black. Whether these are all separate cars or she had them repainted is unknown. Next up, a Mercedes Maybach edition. Rapper Tyga reportedly gifted this car to Kylie for her 19th birthday back in 2016. The car is worth approximately $200,000 US. Sticking to Mercedes, Kylie has shared her maroon G-Wagon on her Instagram feed in 2017. This luxury four-wheel drive SUV can reach speeds in excess of 209 km per hour and starts at around $130,000 US. But hold on, Kylie doesn't have just one G63. Kylie has been seen many times with her tan Mercedes G-Wagon on her socials. By the looks of it, this may well be her favourite car. Now, as if two wasn't enough, Kylie actually has three G-Wagons. The best of her G-Wagon bunch is her Mercedes-AMG G63, painted in a stark orange colour. This $150,000 car was originally black before Kylie opted for the repaint. And why the bright orange colour, you ask? Well, obviously she wanted her wagon to match her orange Lamborghini Aventador. Kylie picked up this orange Lamborghini Aventador in 2018 for around $400,000 US. Hefty price, eh? Well, this price puts Kylie's Lamborghini Aventador about mid-range in her luxury collection. Sticking to Lamborghinis, you didn't think she just had one, right? Of course not. Kylie also has a red Lamborghini Urus, Lamborghini's popular SUV. This Lambo would have cost the beauty mogul around $200,000. Pocket change, right? Kylie Jenner's most recent entry into her vast collection is a custom pink interior Rolls Royce. She even went on to add Stormy's mum beneath the door. Perhaps she bought this one for the school runs. Your average Rolls Royce would cost you around $300,000 US, but with the custom touches, Kylie's one is no doubt going to be priced slightly higher. And last but not least, another hypercar. Kylie picked up a Bugatti Chiron. Kylie purchased this unique car after she split with Travis Scott in late 2019. The car is worth a staggering $3 million US. Kylie shared the Bugatti in an Instagram video. The Chiron is capable of speeds in excess of 480 kilometers per hour, that's 300 miles per hour, and is one of just 250 rumored to have been made. So there you have it, guys. That is Kylie Jenner's luxury car collection. Which is your favorite car from her collection? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.